Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Jabra Elite 10. And first of all, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now, after that, if it's turned off, just click on your earbuds at the device list and we have connected. Cool. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case. And the earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so just remove it. After, and it will reconnect to your phone, and we should have connected again. Cool. If it didn't help you, we should perform, we should remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device after that, and press and hold both of these touch areas to enter pairing mode. Here we go, and we can see it at the device list, just click on it. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So put it to the charging case, and after that, press and hold both of these touch areas until these LED lights start flashing purple. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and we should remove it. Forget. And now remove it from the charging case. It will enter pairing mode automatically after hard reset, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!